How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? I got this Massey Ferguson gc1705 behind me, and today we're going to be doing fuel filter on it. Show you, it's real quick, easy process. We'll do it real quick here, short video. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is turn that all the way up. You should turn your fuel off. You're going to want an oil drip pan of some sort. It's got a nice green pump. Just going to want to loosen up that up here. Screw it the rest of the way. Grab your new oil filter, and you're just going to stick it on up in there. Alright, now you're just going to put your filter cap back on. Screw it back up on in there. Okay, you're going to turn your fuel back on. Then you're just going to turn the tractor on. You're going to let it fill up with fuel. Check over your filter and make sure you have no leaks. Now you just start your tractor up, check for leaks again, and as long as there's no leaks, you know you're good. All right, nice and dry, no leaks. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I told you this was going to be a quick one. That's a nice, easy, simple process. Anybody can do that, and you should be doing it more than you think you should. So, make sure that filter is nice and clean, so that way your tractor's running tip-top shape. Alright, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit like if you like the video. You guys have a great day.